Namaste. Welcome to another episode of Hotpooriz food channel. In today's episode, I will be preparing fresh fruit smoothie and sorbet. In preparation of today's recipe, I will be using 1 cup of frozen papaya, 1 cup of frozen ripe mangoes, 2 frozen bananas, and 20 to 25 pieces of soaked cashew nuts. आज की रेसिपी जिसमें मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ फ्रोज़न स्मूदी और सॉर्बे, उसमें है फ्रोज़न पपाया, पपीता, आम, पका हुआ आम है ये, 2 केले और रात भर भिगाए हुए 20 से 25 काजू. To start for the smoothie, I will individually puree these fruits. For the recipe to have the best of flavor, I will now be blending these 4 together. Time to add few drops of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of icing sugar. This is completely optional. मैंने कुछ बूंदे नींबू के रस की ऐड करी हैं और उसके बाद मैंने 1/4 कप आइसिंग शुगर ऐड करी है. आपकी मर्जी है आइसिंग शुगर डालें या ना डालें. The fruit blend is ready. Let's prepare some delicious smoothie bowls. Welcome back after a short break. In this stage, I will be preparing nuts-free sorbet. For the nuts-free sorbet, I had already separated papaya puree, mango puree and banana puree. Instead of cashews, I am using here coconut milk. Make sure you scoop out only the cream portion. Taking 1 heaping teaspoon, another one, mixing in the icing sugar. 1, 2, 3. Coconut cream and milk will give the same creamy texture as the nuts will do. Set in the sorbet in the popsicle molds. We are done here. I will now get this sorbet into the freezer for overnight. As I can see, the sorbet is ready.